Hello dear students, this is the first video of this week, class 6th, and in the previous class we have discussed the following topics. We have discussed about social networking sites, then we have discussed about web feed and other services which is related to internet. What are the other services? E-greetings, online gaming, e-learning, e-banking and e-reservation. Means electronic learning, electronic banking and electronic reservations. E-reservations can be done for railways, it can be done for flight tickets, or you can also book cinema hall tickets. So these topics has been cleared. Now today we will discuss about podcasting, e-commerce, types of e-commerce. Then we will discuss some of the advantages of online shopping, then disadvantage of online shopping, and then shopping on the web. So coming to the first topic, that is podcasting. What is podcasting, dear children? The word podcast is formed by the combination of two words, that is iPod and broadcast. An audio or video broadcast distributed via the internet is known as a podcast. Means the video, audio and video which can be broadcast using internet, it is known as podcast. And you can also listen to the podcast. Next point, the podcast is usually available in a series similar to a radio or television show. You always watch TV serials, you always listen some radio news or some types of radio programs. So such type of audio or video broadcast is available on internet also. Okay, and which is very similar to radio and television program. A podcast can be downloaded or accessed from a laptop, desktop, or any type of digital medium via the internet. So you have understood about podcast. Now coming to the next topic, that is e-commerce. E-commerce is an internet service of buying and selling of goods, and there are many advantages of selling online. People not only use e-commerce for buying the products, but also they can sell their products. Orkut is one of the example. You can buy second-hand products also. Some of the online retailers are given below. That is Amazon.com, eBay.com, Myntra.com, Flipkart.com, Jabang.com, etc. So you can buy almost all the things available, and suppose some of the items which are not available in the market, it is available on online. So you can buy all the types of products, either it is clothes, your shoes or your jacket, whatever it is related to the stationery or anything you can buy online. Now you should see here types of e-commerce. So it can be classified into four types of business transaction. First is B2C, means business to consumer. Second one is C2B, means consumer to business. Third one is B2B, means business to business. And fourth one is C2C, means consumer to consumer. So now coming to the next thing, what can be the advantage of online shopping? The major advantage of online shopping is the convenience. By sitting at your home, you can shop anything, you can buy anything, and no need to go there. You can also save your time. You don't have to spend time for to travel or to get stuck in traffic jams. So in this way you can save your time also. Next is next advantage is this, that so many companies have come up with the facilities of online shopping. So the price comparison and the quality comparison of the products and services are possible. You can compare the products on different websites. Suppose you want to buy any type of a stationery item, okay, or any type of clothes item, you want to buy any type of clothes or anything else, you can compare on different websites. Like you can compare on Amazon, Flipkart, Jabang, and then you can buy. It will be cost effective. It is also accessible round the clock. In addition, unlike local stores, you can avail discount coupons also and get a product at a lower rate when shopping online. So these are the advantages. Now coming to the disadvantage of online shopping. First disadvantage is you cannot feel or touch the product before buying it, because it is online shopping. So only you can see the ad, you can see the advertisement, you can see the pictures, but you are unable to feel it, you are unable to touch it. Second one is returning goods or products is very difficult in online stores as compared to local stores. And third one, credit and debit card security issue is a major disadvantage. Suppose you are using your credit or debit card. So the company ensures that you are safe, you are at high security, but what is going on there on the network, what is going on there on the server, you don't know. So there is always a chance of risk. So that is the main disadvantage of online shopping. Now, shopping on the web. You can use Amazon.com or eBay.com, Myntra.com, Flipkart.com, Jabang.com, etc. So steps are also given in your book how you can do online shopping. I am showing you how you can go to your you can go to any browser, you can click on any browser like Google Chrome or any another browser. Then what you need to do, you will write here Amazon.com or Flipkart.com. Suppose I am writing here, then that website will open. Okay, you can also open another website like Flipkart.com. That website will open in your screen, and now it will require to log in that website. If you have created the account, you should enter your mobile number and password, and then you will log into the account. And in some websites like in Amazon, you need to create the account. You need to create the account, and after creating the account, you can log into the account, and then you can buy shopping, you can buy the products. Okay, you can search for any type of product, and then you can make the online payment, you can make the online transaction, or even there is another option, cash on delivery is there. So if you select on cash on delivery, the item will be shipped at your home, and you have to pay the amount which is visible on the visible at the time of buying any product. If you are buying any product, so that MRP or the cost price is available of that product, you have to pay the amount, and in this way you can buy these products. Now coming to the next topic, the next topic is online mode of payment. So we will discuss in the next class, children. Okay, thanks for watching this video.